Hello everyone, for today's video I'll be using tempera colors, 300 GSM watercolor paper and a synthetic round brush. Let's get started. The first technique we are using is wet on wet. What it means is that I'm going to pre-wet the paper with clean water before I put paint on it. Now take glue, dilute it with water just enough for the paint to spread well, and start painting the top half of the square. Take some green color in the same way and paint the bottom part of the square. Now we need to blend these two colors in the middle. Take a clean brush and do horizontal strokes in the middle. This will help the colors to blend evenly. Our next technique is going to be wet on dry. What it means is that we are not going to pre-wet the paper like before. We are just going to paint on dry paper. Dilute the paint just enough for it to spread well on paper. And start applying your first color. In a similar way, start applying your next color. I'm taking pink and applying it from the bottom. It is true that wet on dry technique gives you more control compared to wet on wet. Here you can control the flow of paint and where it spreads easily. You need to start blending before the first color dries, otherwise it wouldn't blend in a smooth way. You can take little more color if you need to and start doing horizontal strokes. Blue and pink will start to blend and form purple in the middle. Our third technique is also a wet on wet technique but without applying any brush strokes. For this, start wetting your paper like you did in the first technique. Now start with applying red color. You can see it will start naturally flowing because of the pre-wetting of the paper. Now quickly clean your brush and start applying yellow color at the bottom. Now to blend these two colors, lift the whole paper and move it around. You can see that the colors start to blend naturally on its own. You can keep on doing this until you get your desired effect. Blending like this without any brush strokes will result in a very smooth blend. If you want your colors to move in a specific direction, you can also keep it slanted on a surface. I hope these techniques helped you in your watercolor journey. Thanks for watching. Bye.